Baligtad eh.
Are you sure? Wasn't that not? Wait.
Wala yung dito yung ano. Ayan oh.
Ew.
Pwedeng sa ilalim dalawa.
Yeah, one of these went in there.
Sigurado ka yan?
No,
Mamili ka ito, pwede yan. Yan ang nasa ibabaw, ito sa ilalim.
the bottom.
Oo, dalawa yun eh. Dalawang slot yan eh.
Oh.
Mga hardware ko, dalawang slot.
Why? I don't like when they're facing that way. I like the one where you pinch it and you pull it up.
Yung isang klase, ito ibang klaseng hard drive.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Oh, kulang pa.
Oh.
Hindi yan dali, wala pang power yan. May power pa lang yan, wala pang connection yan sa...
Ang washing natin yung kailangan natin. Maamoy po yan.
Oh, sigurado ka yan?
Panood mo.
Yes, doing.
100.
Ayos na yan, ganyan lang talaga yan. Dahil may
Oh,
takip
you're
yan.
right. Totally.
Oh, you should bring that Cheska yung flashlight na yan sa school.
Oh, mother.
So you see all my work.
Mother.
C. K.
Dapat yan yung mga
And you know what my restaurant name is for my
Oh, I probably should have connected this one. Oh, it fell out. Wait, you never connect this thing. This one fell out.
Hindi pa kasi to double check mo yung connection mo kung masikip o hindi. Baliktad. Tignan mo.
And you're like,
Tignan mo kung tama. Yan yan.
This way.
Ano yan? Ano
Yeah,
yan
you know.
para sa yan?